cooking with Chef Pop. We definitely bring in the good stuff. I just want to give you an update on my AeroGarden. All right, so we're going to start with the tomatoes. And if you watch the other videos, you can see how big they are getting. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. All right, and I noticed on my farm, there's a tip. Let me see. It gives tips. Well, the tip, oh, here it is over here. The tip is here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me press it. New tip. I'm trying to get the tip up. Can't get it up on this one. Let me see. There it goes. And it says, tomatoes grow best with just one plant per pod. With shears, carefully cut out smaller seedlings. No, the smaller seedlings, leaving one healthy plant per pod. And it also stated that with the lettuce, and we're going to get to that in a minute, that if your lettuce is going to grow, and what it's telling me to do is that cut the bigger leaves off. All right, don't harvest the whole plant, and you can keep cutting the plant, and it'll keep producing. And here's the lettuce here, and it will keep producing. All right, so basically it's telling me, I'll let them grow a little bit bigger, but cut the bigger ones off, leave the smaller, and I'll just keep getting lettuce. I'll keep getting lettuce. And also, here's the basil, thyme, and parsley. But I also, some cilantro didn't grow here, so I did have a seed packet of cilantro, so I planted the cilantro seeds, and also a bell pepper, which this bell pepper, when it starts to grow really nice, I'm gonna replant it outside in one of my pots. All right, and I also planted some butter lettuce back here. All right, so we'll see if that germinates. All right, so let me show you what's going on outside. I did plant some more vegetables outside in some pots. I'm trying to do them from seedlings. All right, and the other vegetables that I did transplant into a pot. So let me go show you outside. All right, these are the tomato plants that I did plant here. I transplanted, and they're doing just fine. This was growing in the basil inside, so I didn't know what this was, so I did take it out and I did replant it here, and it's doing very nicely. All right, and over here I have cucumbers and squash. All right, and over here, if I can recall, I have, I think, string beans. And over here, I'm gonna have cucumbers. No, I can't remember what it was, but we'll figure out when it starts to grow. And let me show you something else, because I do plan on planting a garden now. So let me show you what I'm about to do. And that space over there where you see the sandy area, that is where I plan on putting my future garden at. So when I do my cooking, I'll have my fresh vegetables. All right, I can also, with the AeroGarden, I can actually grow my vegetables during the winter time too. But I have some land that I had cleared. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know, it's too much for me. I'm getting older. All right, the guys that cut these trees down did a hell of a fine job. But yes, back over here, that's where my future garden is going to be, right over there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next update on the AeroGarden.